How many miles flow travel from time t equals 0 to time t equals 2?
So the miles that Chloe traveled from time t equals 0 to 2. So that's going to be our first equation. So if the velocity has to do with miles per hour, if I integrate it, the per hour goes away and I get the total miles, right? So we're going to go ahead and say integral from 0 to 2 of t times e to the power of 4 minus t squared dt. And let's let u equal the power. So u is equal to 4 minus t squared. du is equal to 2t dt. So let's look at our goal. I have 2t dt, which is great because I have it right here. But do I have the negative 2? Nope, let's kick it out. So we have negative 1/2 du is equal to t dt. Now we can do our direct substitution. We're going to take this one outside of the integral, 0 to 2. Then I have e to the u du. And integration of e to the u is itself, right? So I'm going to write out 1 over 2. Since I have to plug it back in, are you all okay if I just go ahead and put this in place of the u? Pretty much. And then we're going to go from 0 to 2. Okay, let's plug the values in. I forgot the negative here. Anyone catch that? Okay, when I plug in the 2, or the 0, and the 2, let's see what I will get. When I plug in the 2 in here, isn't that 4 minus 4? Yeah? So I'm going to say 1/2 e to the power of 0 minus, when I plug in the 0 to the t squared, this time I get negative 1/2 e to the power of, we're going to get 4. So I made a mistake here somewhere. Where was my mistake?
Wouldn't that become a positive?
Yes. It was a minus of the negative, right? Very good. So then that's going to give me, this piece is going to give me e to the power of 0 is 1. So it's negative 1/2. And plus 1 over 2 e to the power of 4. And since it's a non-calculated portion, we can't really type this in. Okay? So I'm just going to say it is this many miles from, and I'm just copying what I have underlined initially, from time t equals 0 to time t equals 2. And the way the AP graders are going to grade, knowing that we had to integrate is 1 point. And integrating with the bounds will be another point. And then our final answer with it described is another point.